Welcome back to Agora Wealth Management, and I am Kyle here we're going to talk some education today, and we're going to talk 529s. So the question is, what is a 529? 529 is basically a tool, it's a savings tool or account that you can save money in to help you with higher education or tuition expenses. It is actually named after the IRC, or the Internal Revenue Code 529. That's where that name comes from. The plan, in essence, allows you to save money for qualified educational expenses, which will be things like tuition, books, room and board. And it's also going to be primarily for college expenses. However, you can use it for tuition for grades K through 12. So the tax benefit is that if you use the money for the qualified expenses, the educational associated costs, then you don't pay any federal income tax on those investment earnings, and also sometimes at the state level too. And there are two types of plans, and they are the prepaid tuition plans, in which you would lock in a current tuition rate at whatever college or university is participating in the plan. And you're going to typically look at what state those are participating in. The second is a educational savings plan, and that would in essence just have mutual funds or something of that type that are part of the investment options that would go to helping cover those qualified educational expenses. So another benefit is that beneficiaries can often be changed on these plans. So if you want to change who's going to be able to use the funds, that is something that can happen. And another benefit is that you can also have some flexibility with different schools as far as across the nation and even internationally on occasion. The amount that you can invest can actually vary widely per state. It can be $235,000 up to $500,000. So again, any of those qualified expenses would be things like room and board, supplies, books, and you're also going to look at being able to utilize up to $10,000 per year if you have private school tuition from K through 12th grade. That's another huge benefit. And if you don't qualify for any of those educational expenses, you could pay up to a 10% penalty.